Robert and I, our two organizations, Learning Revolution and CourseCREEK, have entered into this relationship. If you've seen my communications on it, for years now, as I've been doing Learning Revolution, I've been asked by people to do consulting, to help them, hands-on get their course business, their courses off the ground. I've done a ton of that in the past. Like I said, I owned an online course development company. I have a consulting company called Tagoras that does a lot of strategy consulting with big organizations. It was never really my ambition to do that with Learning Revolution. So it's been too long a time coming, but I wanted to find a partner who can help with that, and Robert and CourseCREEK are that partner. And I think for so many people, whether it's your first course or whether it's your 50th, having that kind of support team with you can just be invaluable. You're almost certainly going to be able to get things done faster. You're going to be able to get them done better. I know a lot of people probably hesitate, when it comes to getting the course help, when it comes to getting training, whatever, saying, obviously it's an investment to not do it yourself. But I tell you, it'll cost you more if you're floundering around for months or years, not ever getting anything out into the marketplace. So you have to look at it. It's an investment, not an expense, to be able to do that.